Professor Whiskers here with another practical conversation lesson. Yesterday you learned shopping conversations. Today we learn restaurant conversations, ordering food, reading the menu, asking questions, getting the bill, paying, tipping. Can I see the menu? I would like the chicken, please. What do you recommend? Can I have the bill? These are conversations you need when you eat out, at restaurants, at cafes, anywhere you order food. Today we learn restaurant vocabulary and complete conversations. By the end of this lesson, you can order food confidently, ask questions about the menu, pay for your meal. Everything from sitting down to leaving. Let us learn to eat out in English. First, basic restaurant words you need to know. Key restaurant words. Restaurant. Place where you eat out, where you order and are served food. Menu. List of food and drinks available. Shows prices. Waiter. Or server. Person who serves you. Takes your order. Waitress. Female server. Though many people just say server now. Order. What you choose to eat. Also, a verb. To order food. Dish. One item of food. A plate of food. Meal. Complete eating experience. Breakfast, lunch or dinner. Appetizer. Or starter. Small dish before main course. Main course. Or entree. The main dish. The biggest part of the meal. Dessert. Sweet food after the main course. Cake, ice cream, etc. Drink. Beverage. What you drink. Bill. Or check. Paper showing what you owe. Total cost. Tip. Extra money for good service. Gratuity. Quick sentences. We are going to a restaurant. Can I see the menu? The waiter is coming. I would like to order. This dish looks good. The bill, please. I will leave a tip. Cats eat at home, from bowls. Simple. But I understand restaurant culture. Let us start at the beginning. When you arrive at a restaurant. Arriving at the restaurant. Host, hostess. Hello, welcome. How many people? Customer, 2 people. Or, a table for 2, please. Host, right this way, please. Or, host, do you have a reservation? Customer, yes, under the name Smith. Or, no, we do not. Host, okay, 1 moment, please. Being seated. Host, here is your table. Customer, thank you. Host, your server will be right with you. Customer, great, thanks. Common questions at arrival. Inside or outside. If there is outdoor seating, booth or table. Different seating types. Now you are seated. Time to look at the menu and order drinks. The waiter arrives. Waiter, hello, I am John. I will be your server today. Customer, hi. Waiter, can I start you with something to drink? Customer, yes, I will have water, please. Waiter, still or sparkling, tap or bottled. Customer, tap water is fine. Ordering drinks. I will have a coffee, please. Can I get a Coke? I would like orange juice. Just water for me. Do you have iced tea? Looking at the menu. Waiter, here are your menus. Take your time. Customer, thank you. Waiter, I will be back in a few minutes. Menu questions while looking. What is good here? Asking for recommendations. What is this dish? Asking about something unfamiliar. Is this spicy? Asking about flavor. Does this have meat? Asking about ingredients. How big are the portions? Asking about size. Now the most important part. Ordering your food. The waiter returns. Waiter, are you ready to order? Customer, yes, I am. Or, not yet. Can we have a few more minutes? Waiter, of course. I will come back. When ready. Waiter, what can I get for you? Customer, I will have the chicken, please. Waiter, how would you like that cooked? Customer, well done, please. Or medium or rare. Waiter, and what would you like for your side? Customer, the vegetables, please. Waiter, great. Anything else? Customer, no, that is all. Thank you. Different ways to order. I would like the pasta, please. Polite form. Can I have the fish? Asking politely. I will take the burger. Direct way. I want the salad. Simple and clear. For me, the chicken. Quick way when ordering with others. Asking questions before ordering. What do you recommend? Asking server's opinion. What is popular? What do most people order? What is the special today? Daily special dish. Is the fish fresh? Quality question. How spicy is this? Checking heat level. Can I get this without onions? Requesting modification. Special requests. No onions, please. Removing something. Extra cheese, please. Adding more of something. Dressing on the side. Sauce served separately. Can I substitute the fries? Can I change the side dish? Is this gluten-free? Dietary restriction. I'm vegetarian. Do you have vegetarian options? Dietary preference. While you are eating, you might need to communicate with the server. If there is a problem, excuse me. This is not what I ordered. Got wrong dish. Excuse me. This is cold. Food temperature issue. This is not cooked properly. Quality issue. Can I speak to the manager? Serious problem. Asking for things. Can I have more water? Refill request. Can we get some more bread? Additional item. May I have extra napkins? More supplies. Could we get another fork? Missing utensil. Everything is good. Waiter. How is everything? Customer. Everything's delicious. Or, it is great. Or, very good. Thank you. Waiter. Wonderful. Enjoy your meal. Ordering more. Can we order another drink? I would like to see the dessert menu. Can we get an appetizer? You have finished eating. Time to pay. Asking for the bill. Can I have the bill, please? British English mainly. Can I have the check, please? American English mainly. Check, please. Quick way. Bill, please. Quick way. The check when you are ready. Not rushing. Waiter brings the bill. Waiter, here is your check. Customer, thank you. Looking at the bill. Reading the bill carefully. Check items and prices. Total. Final amount. Subtotal. Before tax. Tax. Government charge. Service charge. Sometimes included. Mandatory tip. Questions about the bill. Excuse me. What is this charge? Asking about unclear item. Is the tip included? Or, is service included? Important question. Can we split the bill? Each person pays separately. Can we pay separately? Same meaning. Practice dialogue. Customer. Can I have the check, please? Waiter. Of course. Here you are. Customer looks at bill. Customer. Is the tip included? Waiter. No. Gratuity is not included. Customer. Okay. Thank you. Now let us pay for the meal. Payment methods. I will pay with cash. Physical money. Can I pay with a card? Credit or debit card. We will split it. Divide the bill. I will get this. I am paying for everyone. Can we pay separately? Each person pays their own. Paying with cash. Customer. Here is $100. Waiter. Thank you. I will be right back with your change. Or, customer. Keep the change. The extra is your tip. Waiter. Thank you very much. Paying with card. Customer. Can I pay with a card? Waiter. Yes, of course. Customer. Gives card. Waiter. I will be right back. Or, in some countries. Waiter. Brings card machine to table. Waiter. Please insert your card. Customer. Inserts card. Waiter. Please enter your tip amount and PIN. Customer. Enters information. Waiter. Thank you. Here is your receipt. Tipping. In many countries, especially USA, Canada, tipping is expected, usually 15 to 20%. Good service, 20%. Okay service, 15%. Note, in some countries, tipping is not customary. Know the local culture. Leaving. Waiter, thank you. Have a great day. Customer, thank you. You too. Or, customer, thanks. The food was excellent. Waiter, wonderful. Come back soon. Let us practice a complete restaurant experience from start to finish. Complete conversation. Host, good evening. Welcome. How many? Customer, 1, please. Host, right this way. At the table. Waiter, I'm Sarah. I will be your server. Can I start you with drinks? Customer 1, I will have iced tea, please. Waiter, great. Here is your menu. I will be back in a moment. A few minutes later. Waiter, are you ready to order? Customer 1, yes. I would like the grilled salmon, please. Waiter, excellent choice. Perfect. Your food will be out shortly, during the meal. Waiter, how is everything? Customer 1, delicious. Thank you. Waiter, wonderful. After finishing, Customer 1, can I have the check, please? Waiter, of course. Here you are. Customer 1 looks at bill. Is the tip included? Waiter, no, it is not. Customer 1, okay. Can I pay with a card? Waiter, yes. I will be right back. Waiter returns with card machine. Waiter, please insert your card. Customer 1 pays and adds tip. Waiter, thank you so much. Have a great evening. Customer 1, thanks. The food was great. Perfect restaurant experience. Smooth and polite. A few more useful restaurant phrases. Making reservations. I would like to make a reservation. Booking ahead. For how many people? Question about party size. What time? Question about when. A table for 4 at 7 p.m., please. Complete reservation. Under what name? Whose name for the reservation? Dietary restrictions. I am allergic to shellfish. Medical issue. Very important. I am vegetarian. No meat. I am vegan. No animal products. I do not eat pork. Religious or personal choice. Do you have gluten-free options? Special diet. Compliments. This is delicious. Food is very good. The service is excellent. Waiter is very good. I love this place. Restaurant is great. We will definitely come back. Positive experience. Homework time. Task 1. Write a complete restaurant conversation. From arrival to payment. Use today's lesson as a guide. Include greeting, ordering drinks, ordering food, during meal, getting bill, paying. Task 2. Practice these phrases out loud 5 times each. Can I see the menu? I would like the chicken, please. What do you recommend? Can I have the check, please? Is the tip included? Task 3. In the comments, answer these questions. What is your favorite restaurant? What do you usually order there? Do you usually pay with cash or card? Example, my favorite restaurant, the pizza place near my house. I always order pepperoni pizza. I usually pay with a card. Or, I love the Thai restaurant downtown. I order pad Thai every time. I pay with cash. Share your restaurant experience in English. In Lesson 33, we learn asking for directions. Where is the bank? How do I get to the hotel? Go straight, turn left, turn right. You'll be able to navigate anywhere, find places, give directions, never be lost. But today, you learned restaurant conversations, how to order food, how to read a menu, how to ask questions, how to pay the bill. Complete restaurant experience from beginning to end. This is one of the most practical lessons. Everyone eats out. Whether traveling or at home, you need these conversations. Practice these dialogues. When you go to a restaurant, think in English. I would like this. Can I have that? The check, please. Make it automatic. Eating out is a social experience. Now you can do it confidently in English. Enjoy your next meal. Meow.